Justice continues to elude the survivors of the brutal Salyan massacre, in which the Indian Army troops and the police personnel gunned down 19 members of a family, including 11 children, in the Surankot area of the Poonch district on the intervening night of 3rd and 4th August 1998. The gruesome massacre was carried out by the personnel of the Indian Army's 9 Para unit, accompanied by the special police officers after the killing of a local informer cum policeman by earlier that day. Incarcerated chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Musarrat Alam Butt, has termed the India's 5th August 2019 actions as one of the darkest chapters in the history of the occupied Kashmir, calling them a blatant aggression against the Kashmiri people. In a message from the New Delhi's notorious Tihar jail on the eve of Yom-e-Istisal-e-Kashmir, he urged the people to observe the day as a black day and reject the fascist Modi regime's illegal actions. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control in Pakistan and all over the world will observe Yom-e-Istisal-e-Kashmir tomorrow to register their protests against the Modi-led Hindutva Indian government's illegal actions taken in August 2019. The call for the observance of the day has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. Posters have once again surfaced in Srinagar, Udhampur, Reasi and other districts urging the people to observe 5th August as Yom-e-Istisal-e-Kashmir and Black Day against the India's illegal revocations of the Articles 370 and 35A in 2019. The posters bearing the images of the jailed Hurriyat leaders Musarrat Alam Butt, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Mohammad Yasin Malik and Asya Andrabi reject India's unilateral actions and demand the right to self-determination under the UN resolutions. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has launched a scathing attack on the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha's administration in occupied Kashmir, saying that the situation in the territory, especially in the valley, has worsened since the abrogation of the Article 370 in 2019. Mufti, addressing an event in Srinagar, said 5th August marks the 6 years of the devastation in the Jammu and Kashmir. Open source intelligence has exposed the India's deliberate use of the international civilian flights as the human shields during Operation Sindoor, conducted by the Indian Air Force in May 2025, placing hundreds of the lives at risk and violating the international humanitarian law. The OSINT analyst and the aviation experts observed that the flight logs and the satellite data confirm that the multiple civilian flights operated by the Thai Airways, Kuwait Airways, Qatar Airways, China Southern and others were deliberately rerouted into the high-risk airspace near the Pakistan-India border during the active Indian Air Force strikes on 7th May.